Welcome to the VitaLife show. I'm Dr. Janine Bowering, and in this episode we're talking all about urinary tract infections. So whether they're, happens once in a while or chronic, this is a huge issue, usually affecting women, but can affect men as well and children. So I thank all of our subscribers. Thanks for joining me today. Make sure that you're leaving your questions and comments below. Stay tuned right to the end of the videos. You'll get some great tips and some links to our other videos as well. So, what are the symptoms of UTIs? This includes burning urination, an urgency and a frequency to do number one or urinate, as well as the urine could be foul smelling, it could be cloudy. You may just have a sense that something is not as normal as it should be. There could even be pain and bleeding, especially when this becomes chronic and you start to have one infection after the other. Some of the causes for urinary tract infections include E. coli. Now, E. coli is a bacteria. We usually have a little bit of it normally in our body, but it can become rampant. And this is often caused by not voiding the bladder completely at urination. So one of my first tips, and I actually learned this from one of my patients, is that after you use the washroom, so you urinate, you wait about 10 seconds and then try to release again and urinate again, because often there's still some urine that's sitting in the bottom of the bladder that hasn't been completely voided, and this will go a long way to preventing those infections and for that bacteria to be sitting in the bladder. So do try that. Please let me know how that goes. And always go when you need to go. So when you have the urge to urinate, to go pee, you better go, because you don't want, again, that urine sitting in the bladder for too long. Now, in terms of mind-body medicine, I have found a connection over the years working with my patients in terms of being angry. So being, the word, peed off is quite literally often that mind-body connection in people that especially have the chronic UTIs. So be very mindful of that. Make sure that you're processing your anger in an appropriate manner. We have plenty other supplements that we use in terms of a protocol for treating UTIs. They are featured in my new book, the sequel of The Healthy Millionaire, so check that out. It will be released very soon. And be sure that you subscribe to our channel so that you will always get our newest and latest uploads here on the VitaLife show about how to treat yourself naturally and to really take care of your health in the most natural way, and the health of your family, your children, and your elders as well. Check out our other videos as well here on the VitaLife show. So up here, you can learn more about detoxification, why it's so important to detoxify in the right way. Right here are veins and circulation. This is all about treating varicose veins, some great tips on how to do this naturally. And down here are yoga facial exercises, which you'll absolutely love. Really, really popular here on the VitaLife show. You'll look crazy doing it, but you're gonna love the results. Thanks for joining me today.